So now what we are going to see is the filter in a PostgreSQL. So what is the filter we are doing? Filter is about to take the filter the data based on the condition which is mentioned inside the filter function. Filter function takes a parameter that is called a boolean. Boolean. What is that? Sal greater than 500. Yes or no? Yes or no? That's it. So and it gives to the count. So it can be applied on any aggregate functions. Right? Clear? So now this this if you see apart from this employees, we want to find out the employees whose salary is greater than 5,000. So now in this way we have found like who are doing 5,000, who are not doing more than, who are doing more than 5,000. So more than 5,000, like total is five, and in that more than 5,000 is 3 persons. Okay. So now we want to find out who is getting the more salary. So now apart from this, we saw one more question, interview question, that is find out the person who draws more than the salary more than the manager. So in that case, we form with SQL query. What is that SQL query we are doing? So we found a first manager's salary. What is that? And apart from that, we found this one. Okay. So that's about a filter. This one.